student, today we are going to discuss about metallic and non-metallic actors of an elements. Okay, so first of all we have to know that what is by metals. We have studied this in the previous class, and we also know that elements are classified into three types. So how many elements are there? 118 elements are there in modern periodic tables. Okay, so these all the elements are classified into three main types. Okay, so which are these three types? Which are these three types? So first is metal, second are metalloid and non-metals. Okay, non-metals. Okay, so these are the three types. So metalloid element shows the properties in between the metals and non-metals, means these are the intermediate of metals and non-metals. Okay, understood? So this is the classification. Now we have studied in the previous class the chemical properties of metals. So what are the different chemical properties? So first is electronic configuration, we have studied. Okay, the elements, example hydrogens, helium, lithium, beryllium. These elements are arranged according to the atomic numbers in modern periodic tables. Okay, atomic numbers indicate that how many electrons are present or how many protons are present in that atoms. Okay, so it is indicated by the atomic numbers. Okay, so these electrons are distributed among various cells. Okay, so it's electronic configuration. For example, take an example of hydrogen. So at the nucleus of hydrogens there is only one protons and one electrons. Okay, so its atomic numbers become 1 only. Its atomic number is 1, means there is only one protons or electrons, and we can determine the atomic number according to the number of protons or electrons. Okay, so we have also studied how many electrons can accommodate in a specific cells. Okay, this is the hydrogen's first cell. So in the first cells, what is the capacity to accommodate electrons? So this can be done by, or this can be determined by this formula, twice n square. Okay, where n is equal to the number of cell. Okay, number of cell. Okay, so the number of cells are increases with the increase in atomic numbers. Okay, and when you go from left to right in a period, okay, when you go from left to right in a period, so you know that this horizontal rows are called as the periods. Okay, these horizontal rows are called as the periods, and vertical columns are called as the groups. Okay, everybody knows that. So the elements hydrogens, when we go from left to right in a period, then there is subsequently one electron is added. Okay, here take an example, sodium, magnesium, okay, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argons. Okay, in this case the atomic number of sodium is 11, atomic number of magnesium is 12, atomic number of aluminum is 13, atomic number of silicon is 14. Okay, means what we see there is a subsequently increase in the atomic numbers, means there is increase in the number of cells by 1. Okay, but the cells remain constant. Okay, the number of cells remain constant in this case in the period. Okay, this first rows means first period indicate there is only one cell, second rows indicate there is two cells. Okay, third rows indicate there are 3 cells, and fourth row indicate there are 4 cells, 5 cells, 6 cells, 7 cells. Okay, in this way the period number indicates that how many cells are present in that particular atoms. Okay, so understood it. So the electronic configurations is determined by the number of electrons, okay, present in a particular cell. So what is the electronic configurations of sodium? Electronic configuration of sodium. So in the first cells, according to the 2n square formula, where n is equal to number of cells, means here in the first cells, how many electrons can accommodate? There are 2 electrons can accommodate. In the second cell, there are 8 electrons accommodate, and in the third cell, atomic number is 11. Okay, so 2 plus 8, 10, and now 1 electron is remain there. So this 1 electron is goes into the third cell. Okay, so this is K cell, L cell, and AM cell, means first cell, second cell, and third cell. Okay, so in this way, electronic configuration can be done. Okay. So this is electronic configurations. So you can write electronic configurations of various elements in the modern periodic tables. Okay. So again, next property of metals is the formation of ions. Means what? The metals lose their valence electrons. Okay, metals lose their valence electrons to the other elements. Okay, and this property of metals, it has the tendency to form a cation by gaining electrons, by losing electron, not gaining. Though metals atom have a tendency to form a cation. Okay, the metal atoms have a tendency to form a cation by losing its valence electrons. Okay, so this can be done with this equations. So sodium, its electronic configuration is 2 at 1. Okay, so there is only 1 electrons in its outermost cells, so it can easily donate its valence electrons. Okay, so here it donates its valence electrons to the sodium, and it form of sodium positive ions. Okay, understood it? It form of sodium positive ions, means there are only 2 cells now. Previously it has 3 cells. Now by donating 1 electron, it acquired a noble gas electronic configurations. Okay, it acquired a noble gas electronic configurations. Okay, and forms, by donating 1 electron, it forms sodium positive ion. So this sodium positive ion is most stable ions, means it acquired a noble gas electronic configurations and become a stable. So electrons are held by attractive force. So what is the reason to lose the electrons from their outermost cells? So there is a reason. You know that electrons are held by attractive force. Okay, you know about that. So electrons are held by attractive force. जो nuclear positive charge, okay, positive charge on the protons and the negative charge electrons, they get pulled toward each other because of the attractive force exerted on them by the positively charged nucleus. Okay, positive charge nucleus म्हणजे त्याच्यावरती positive charges का बरं राहतो? Why there is positive charge on the nucleus? Because there is a protons, and proton is the positively charged. Okay, so with the increase in number of electrons, the positive charge is also increases. Okay, when you go from left to right in a period, then subsequently there is addition of electrons takes place. Okay, with the help with the increase in the number of electrons, positive charge is also increases. Okay, and in ionic state, this sodium lose their electrons and become stables. Okay, so here number of electrons is decreased. Okay, number of electron is decreased, but positive charge is increases. Okay, understood it? Positive charge increase as it is runner na to. ठीक है. Positive charge remain as it is, means there is an increase in nuclear positive charge. Okay, and that's why electrons in the inner cells lie in between the valence shell and the nucleus. Because of this presence, the effective nuclear charge exerting on the attractive force on the valence electrons is somewhat less than the actual nuclear charge. Okay, understood it? Means electrons in the inner cell. Okay, electrons in the inner cells means what? Suppose this is our sodium atom. Okay, this is our sodium atom. Okay, and there are 3 cells. Previously it has 3 cells. In the first cell there are 2 electrons, in the second cell there are 8 electrons. Okay, 8 electrons, and in the third cell there is only 1 electrons. Okay, so these cells and these cells is called as the inner cell. So these 2 inner cells, and it contains electrons. So these inner cell electrons are attracted mostly. Okay, these inner cell electrons get attracted toward the nucleus because these outermost cell electrons is loose. Okay, the penultimate cell becomes these cells. Okay, this is first cell, second cell, third cell. So this second cell become the outermost cells. Okay, means this is the penultimate cell, means या outermost cellच्या लगेच आलेली ही आहे म्हणून त्याला आपण अल्टिमेट म्हणतोय इथे. ठीक आहे, इथे बघा दिस इज द outermost cells. नाव व्हेन इट लूज देअर वॅलन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन, हा लूज केल्याच्यानंतर ही कोणती पेनल्टिमेट सेल कोणती बनेल? ही बनेल. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द पेनल्टिमेट सेल. सो दिस पेनल्टिमेट सेल बिकम outermost cells, and that's why because of the increase in nuclear charge, these outermost cell electrons get pulled toward itself and its size goes on decreases. Okay, while we go from left to right in a period. Okay, understood it? Means there is a force of attraction, okay, between the positively charged nucleus and the penultimate electron. Okay, valence electrons, and that's why reason is that here electrons in the inner cell lie in between the valence cells and nucleus. Okay, these electron cells are found in between valence cells and nucleus. So because of this presence, the effective nuclear charge exerting an attractive force on the valence electrons is somewhat less. Okay, जो effective nuclear charge आहे, okay, nuclear charge, this charge on the nucleus, and this is the outermost cells electrons. The attractive force between these outermost cells and this effective nuclear charge is loose. Okay, is कमी असतो, less, it is less, and that's why these outermost electrons get removed. Okay, and this can be done by ionization energy. So what is meant by ionization energy? So it is the minimum amount of energy required to remove an electron from its outermost cell. So in sodium there is a low ionization energy, that's why these outermost electrons get easily removed, okay, from these valence cells, and that's why it forms a sodium ion. Okay, and this sodium ion is a stable ion. Okay, and this now this penultimate cells become outermost cells, and outermost cells has more electrons, means there are 8 electrons. That's why there is a these electrons get pulled toward the nucleus by the effective nuclear charge. Okay, effective positive charge. Okay, that's why there is size is decreases. Thus the number of valence electrons in metal is small. Okay, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये आयोनायझेशन एनर्जी लो असल्यामुळे मेटल्समध्ये ते काय होतात, जे वॅलन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स असतात, वॅलन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन मेटल्स इज स्मॉल. ओके, आणि वॅलन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन आयोनायझेशन एनर्जी लो असल्यामुळे जो आउटरमोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत, आउटरमोस्टमध्ये असलेला जो इलेक्ट्रॉन एकच आहे. ओके, त्याच्यामुळे तेवढा फोर्स एक्झर्ट होणार नाही, म्हणजे पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह अट्रॅक्शन तेवढं जास्त असणार नाही. ओके, कारण लो आयोनायझेशन एनर्जी आहे. ओके, त्याच्यामुळे जो हा शेवटचा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहे तो काय होईल, इझिली रिमूव्ह होऊन जाईल त्याच्यामधनं. ओके, इट कॅन इझिली रिमूव्ह फ्रॉम द outermost cells. Okay, understood it? And that's why in the outermost cells of metals there are only 1, 2 and 3 electrons. Okay, so energy required to remove this one electron is very less. Okay, खूप कमी एनर्जी लागेल याला रिमूव्ह करायला, परंतु जर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स असतील त्याच्या outermost cell मध्ये, so it requires more energy than these cells. Okay, and if there are 3 electrons in its outermost cell, so it require more energy. Okay, so to remove the electrons, so you can say the electropositivity of the metals goes on decreasing while you go from left to right in a period. Okay, electropositivity means what? The metal atoms have a tendency to form a cation by losing its valence electrons. So this property of metal is called as the electropositivity. Means there is a positive charge, increase in the positive charge takes place. Okay, in the sodium there are only one positive charge because it remove only one electrons, but in case of magnesium, when it lose its valence electron, it form a Mg2 positive ion because it remove its 2 electrons. Okay, in case of aluminum it lose 3 electrons. Okay, 3 electrons, so it become Al3 positive. Okay, so in this way formation of ion takes place, and because of that electronic atomic size goes on decrease while we go from left to right in a period. Okay, number of cell remain constant, but there is an increase in the number of electrons, and that's why the effective nuclear charge increases, and that's why this effective nuclear charge pull that outermost electron toward itself, and that's why atomic size get shrinkage, and because of that atomic size decreases. Okay, understood it? So while going down a group, अभी हम ग्रुप में देखते हैं. ओके, while going down a group, a new cell added resulting in an increase in the distance between the nucleus and valence electrons. अभी क्या हुआ है, जब हम टॉप टू बॉटम जाते हैं पीरियोडिक टेबल में, ओके, तो एक नई सेल ऐड हो जाती है. ओके, हमने देखा था इस पीरियोडिक टेबल में, जैसे जैसे हम टॉप टू बॉटम जाते हैं, from here to here. Okay, from here to here. Okay, then in each case there is a addition of one cell. Okay, here there is only one cell, here 2 cell, 3 cell, 4 cell, 5 cell. Okay, and numbers of electrons are also increases, and numbers of cells are also increases. That's why its size is increases. Okay, size of the atoms is increases. We see this in the previous class. Okay, in the previous slides. Okay, how the size is increases. Okay, so there is a resulting in an increase in the distance between the nucleus and the valence electrons. Okay, and that's why this result in lowering the effective nuclear charge. Okay, and that's why it results in the effective nuclear charge, because of the addition of cells. Okay, by one there is a decrease in the effective nuclear charge, म्हणजे त्याचा जो इफेक्टिव्ह न्यूक्लियर चार्ज होतो तो कसा होतो, कमी होत जातो. ठीक आहे, आणि म्हणून जो आउटरमोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहे तो इझिली रिमूव्ह होऊन जाईल ना, है ना. न्यूक्लियर चार्ज जर कमी झाला तर आउटरमोस्ट सेलमध्ये जे काही इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत, की ते मेटलच्या आउटरमोस्ट सेलमध्ये एक तर 1, 2, 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स असतात. ओके, आणि त्यांच्यामधला जर इफेक्टिव्ह न्यूक्लियर चार्ज जर कमी झाला तर outermost electrons get removed easily. Okay, so this result in lowering the effective nuclear charge and thereby lowering the attractive force. Okay, that's why न्यूक्लिअर चार्ज डिक्रीज झाल्यामुळे त्याचा जो अट्रॅक्टिव्ह फोर्स आहे प्रोटॉन्स आणि इलेक्ट्रॉन्समधला दिस देर इज अ लोअरिंग इन द अट्रॅक्टिव्ह फोर्स ऑन द व्हॅलन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. व्हॅलन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्समध्ये जो अट्रॅक्टिव्ह फोर्स आहे पॉझिटिव्ह प्रोटॉन्समधला आणि इलेक्ट्रॉन्समधला तो जो अट्रॅक्टिव्ह फोर्स आहे तो काय होतो, कमी होतो. ओके, सो ॲज अ रिझल्ट ऑफ दिस द टेंडन्सी ऑफ द atom to lose electrons, tendency of the atoms to lose electron increases, and because of that, if there is low attraction between the positive charge and the electrons, then what happen, these outermost electrons get easily removed. Okay, the outermost electrons get easily removed. Okay, so also the penultimate cell become the outermost cells. Now we already seen that if there is removal of electron takes place, okay, if there is a losing of electrons from the outermost electrons, then the penultimate cell become the outermost cells. Okay, and that's why it try to complete and its octet is complete. Okay, therefore the resulting cation has a special stability. Okay, so this penultimate cells become outermost cells and it form a cation. Okay, and cation become a stable. Okay, कसा बनतो, stable बनतो. Okay, understood it. So due to this, the tendency of the atom to lose electrons increases further. Okay, and because of that, the tendency of the atom to lose electrons, okay, the tendency of the atom to lose electron increases further. Okay, and because of that, there is increase in the tendency of atoms to lose electrons. Okay, and that's why the outermost electrons get easily removed, and because of that, there is a lowering of ionization energy. Okay, so understood it, understood this. Now if there is lowering of ionization energy, or if the ions get stable, then the metallic characters of an atom is its tendency to lose electrons. Metallic characters ची definition कशी केली होती आपण, it is the tendency of losing electrons. Okay, it is the definition, त्याची definition कशी केली होती, it is the tendency of the losing electrons. Therefore by losing electrons from its outermost cells, metals become electropositive. Okay, so electropositivity is increases. Okay, electropositivity is decreases when you go from left to right. Okay, so the metallic characters of elements increases while going down the group. Okay, when you go from left to right in a period, then electropositivity decreases. Okay, and electronegativity is increases. But when you go from top to bottom in a group, then there is a increase in the metallic characters. Okay, why there is metallic characters increases? Because number of cells is added. Okay, and the penultimate cell become the outermost cells, and the effective nuclear charge is decreases. Okay, by addition of one extra cells, and this outermost cell electrons get easily removed. Okay, because it has a low ionization energy. Okay, and that's why there is a increase in the metallic characters of elements. Okay, जर इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव्ह होण्याची जर प्रोसेस जास्त असेल, इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव्ह होत असेल, तर तिथे काय होतं, मेटॅलिक कॅरेक्टर्स वाढतात. ओके, सो देर इज अ इंक्रीज इन द metallic characters. Okay, so metallic characters of elements increases while going down the groups. Okay, understood it. So while going from left to right within a period, जर आपण पिरियड मध्ये लेफ्ट टू राईट गेलो तर outermost cell remain constant. Okay, outermost cell remain constant, but their effective nuclear charge increases. Okay, however the positive charge on the nucleus goes on increasing. Okay, understood now? So while the atomic radius goes on decreasing, that's why this positive charge or nuclear effective nuclear charge pulled the outermost electron toward itself, and that's why its atomic radius goes on decreasing, and thus the effective nuclear charge goes on increases. Okay, आणि याचा सर्वांचा परिणाम काय होतो, त्याचा इफेक्टिव्ह न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इन्क्रीज होतोय. ओके, सो ॲज अ रिझल्ट ऑफ दिस द टेंडन्सी ऑफ द ॲटम टू लॉस व्हॅलन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन डिक्रीजेस. ओके, त्याच्यामुळं त्याचा परिणाम असं होतो की जी टेंडन्सी असते एलिमेंटची ॲटमची लूज करण्याचे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, कारण आउटरमोस्ट सेल्समधले इलेक्ट्रॉन्स काय करता येतो, आपल्याकडे आकर्षित करून घेत आहे, अट्रॅक्ट करून घेत आहे, कारण देर इज अ इन्क्रीज इन पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज. जसं जसा इलेक्ट्रॉन एक एक वाढत जातो, पॉझिटिव्ह चार्जसुद्धा वाढतो, आणि तो पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज आउटरमोस्ट सेलमध्ये जेवढं काही इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत त्यांना आपल्याकडे अट्रॅक्ट करून घेतो, त्यांचा साईज कमी करतो. ठीक आहे, साईज ॲटमचा श्रिंक होतो. ठीक आहे, अँड ड्यू टू दिस, as a result of this, the tendency of the atom to lose the electrons, valence electrons, decreases within a period from left to right, and that's why the electropositivity goes on decreasing while we go from left to right in a period, but there is a increase in the electronegativity. Okay, त्याची इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटी नंतर वाढायला लागते. ओके, म्हणजे तुम्हाला सांगता येईल, if we go from left to right in a period, then there is a decrease in electropositivity and increase in the electronegativity. Okay, electronegativity means what? Electronegativity means what? The non-metals have a tendency to form anion by accepting electrons. Okay, आपण बघितलं होतं झिगझॅग लाईनच्या राईट साईडला काय आहेत, नॉन मेटल्स आहेत. सो नॉन मेटल्स हॅव टेंडन्सी टू फॉर्म anion by accepting electrons. Okay, and that's why these accept the electrons because it's there are 5, 6, 7 electrons in its outermost shell, so these try to complete its octet, and that's why it required 3, 2 and 1 electrons to complete its octet. Take an example. For example, suppose we are here, we take nitrogens. So what is the electronic configuration of nitrogen? 2 and 5. Okay, so atomic number is 7, so it has only 2 and 5, so it required 3 electrons for completion of its octet. So 3 is the valency. So by gaining electrons, it acquires a negative charge, means electronegativity is increases there. Okay, understood it? Means how will you write this? So nitrogens, when nitrogen accept electrons, okay, by here 3 negative charge is there. Okay, nitrogen has 3 negative charge plus 3 electrons. He add 3 electrons. Okay, it requires 3 electrons to complete its octet, means you can write this as follows. Okay, this nitrogen required 3 electrons, and here you can write this nitrogen plus 3 electrons, it get 3 electrons and form a not negative 3 ions, means this is an ion. Okay, form an ion. So this is the electronegativity, means what? When you go from left to right in a period, then electropositivity decreases and electronegativity increases. Okay, understood it? So now the metallic characters of an element is its tendency to lose electrons. I have studied this, that's why you can see metallic characters of elements increases while we going from top to bottom. Okay, so while going from left to right within a period, the outermost cells remain the same. Okay, this we understood. Now the positive charge इन्क्रीज त्याच्यामध्ये पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज इन्क्रीज होत असल्यामुळे त्याचा ॲटॉमिक साईज काय होतो, डिक्रीज होतो. ओके, सो हे सुद्धा बघितलं आपण. So as a result of this, the tendency of the atom to lose valence electrons decreases within a period from left to right. Okay, we have studied this. Now the two factors, namely the increasing nuclear charge and the decreasing atomic radius, as we go from left to right. Okay, as we go from left to right, then what factors changes there? सो इन्क्रीजिंग न्यूक्लिअर चार्ज, त्यांचा न्यूक्लिअर चार्ज वाढतो. जेव्हा आपण डावीकडून उजवीकडे जातो तेव्हा त्या ॲटम्समधला न्यूक्लिअर चार्ज वाढतो. आणि डिक्रीजिंग ॲटॉमिक रेडियस, ॲटॉमिक रेडियस डिक्रीज होते म्हणजे ॲटॉमिक साईज डिक्रीज होत आहे. ओके, सो दिस इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द increasing the effective nuclear charge, and therefore the valence electrons are held with a greater and greater attractive force, and because of that the outermost electrons, okay, these outermost electrons or you can say valence electrons are held with the greater and greater attractive force and called it as electronegativity. Okay, so that's you can say that the electronegativity is increases while we go from left to right in a period. Okay, so this is all about the okay, see in the pictures, you easily understood. Across the period means when you go from left to right. Okay, when you go from left to right in a period, the atomic size decreases. Okay, here is decrease in the atomic size because atomic radius is decreases and effective nuclear charge is increases. Okay, means positive charge increases. Okay, this is in periods. Okay, now in you can say the atomic number is increases. In this case the atomic number is increases. Okay, nuclear charge increases, atomic size decrease होतो याचा. Okay, electrons are held tightly, hence is to lose electrons. electrons कसे टाइटली हेल्ड होतात, कसे पॉझिटिव्ह चार्जकडे, त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं, हेन्स त्याचा जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहे, जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इझिली रिमूव्ह होणार नाही किंवा लॉस होणार नाही. ओके, सो अगेन मेटॅलिक कॅरेक्टर्स डिक्रीजेस. ओके, so in this case metallic characters is also decreases. Okay, understood it? So when you go from left to right, when we go from left to right in a period, then metallic characters decreases and non-metallic characters increases. Okay, this is all about the metallic characters. So in the pictures you can determine, this is okay, decreasing atomic radius, here decreasing atomic radius. So this arrow indicate that there is a decreasing atomic radius when you go from left to right in a period. Okay, and increasing electronegativity, याच्यामध्ये इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटी काय होत आहे, वाढत आहे, म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ॲक्सेप्ट करण्याची जी टेंडन्सी आहे ॲटमची ती वाढत आहे. ओके, कारण इकडे ॲटम्स काय करतात, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ॲक्सेप्ट करतात आणि निगेटिव्ह चार्ज म्हणजे निगेटिव्ह आयन्स तयार करतात, म्हणजे अनायन तयार करतात. ओके, अनायन्स म्हणजे क्लोरीन वगैरे निगेटिव्ह आयन्स, म्हणजे इट गेन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और ॲक्सेप्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अँड फॉर्म अनायन्स. ओके, सो इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटी इंक्रीजेस. ओके, इंक्रीजिंग इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटी अँड नॉन मेटॅलिक कॅरेक्टर्स, आणि याच्यामध्ये नॉन मेटॅलिक कॅरेक्टर्स काय होतात, इंक्रीज होतात. अगेन देयर इज अ डिक्रीजिंग इलेक्ट्रोपॉझिटिव्हिटी अँड मेटॅलिक कॅरेक्टर्स. ओके, so there is decreasing electropositivity. Okay, when you go from left to right in a period, there is a decreasing electropositivity and metallic characters. Okay, and when you go from top to bottom, okay, when you go from top to bottom in a group, then there is a increase atomic radius. त्याचे atomic radius काय होते, कारण number of cells increase होता है, that's why its atomic radius is also increases. Again डिक्रीजिंग इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटी, याच्यामध्ये इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटी डिक्रीज होता है. ओके, देर इज डिक्रीज इन द इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटी अँड नॉन मेटॅलिक कॅरेक्टर्स. याच्यामध्ये नॉन मेटॅलिक कॅरेक्टर्स काय होत आहे, डिक्रीज होत आहे आणि मेटॅलिक कॅरेक्टर्स इथे पुन्हा इन्क्रीज होत आहेत. ओके, सो अंडरस्टूड इट. अँड देर इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग इलेक्ट्रोपॉझिटिव्हिटी अँड मेटॅलिक कॅरेक्टर्स. ओके, मेटॅलिक कॅरेक्टर्स इंक्रीज होत आहे म्हणजे त्याचे इलेक्ट्रोपॉझिटिव्हिटी इंक्रीज होत आहे. जसे आपण वरून खाली येऊ तसं इकडे काय होणार, इथे बघा हा नॉन मेटल आहे. ओके, इथे नॉन मेटल आहे, हा नॉन मेटल आहे, नॉन मेटल आहे. इथे बघा नॉन मेटल आहे, नॉन मेटल, नॉन मेटल, नंतर हा मेटलॉइड झाला आहे, नंतर याचा मेटल झाला आहे. म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रोपॉझिटिव्हिटी वाढत आहे. ओके, वेन यू गो फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम इलेक्ट्रोपॉझिटिव्हिटी इज increases. Okay, so this is all about the metallic characters. So you can see when we go from down to group, then the atomic size increases. Okay, there is increase in the atomic size, and that's why metallic characters is also increases. Okay, when you go from top to bottom. Okay, so these are the periodic trend. So you can say there is a nuclear charge increase. Okay, when you go from top to bottom, then there is a nuclear charge increases, number of cells increases. Okay, number of cells increase hota hai when you go from top to bottom, and atomic size is also increases. So electrons are held loosely, hence is to loss the electron increases. and त्याच्यामध्ये काय होतं, इलेक्ट्रोपॉझिटिव्हिटी इंक्रीज होत आहे याच्यामध्ये. वेन यू गो फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम इलेक्ट्रोपॉझिटिव्हिटी इज इंक्रीजेस बिकॉज देर इज अ इज टू लॉस द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ओके, because there is low ionization energy and effective nuclear charge is low also, that's why outermost electrons can easily removed. Okay, so metallic characters increases when you go from top to bottom in a periods, and when you go from left to right in a period metallic characters decreases. Okay, so understood this. So this is all about the periodic trend in metallic characters and non-metallic characters. Okay, so thank you.